Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So sometimes in year 2020, I think around November or December, I entered into a giveaway on YouTube and I won these gifts you're seeing. So PQ Colony channel on YouTube hit the 500 subscribers and decided to do a giveaway, and I entered not even knowing that I was going to win, and I was the winner of the first prize. So when I discovered that I was a winner, I began to worry about how to transport the gift or the prize to Nigeria, because looking for a way to get this gift to Nigeria was a little bit expensive. So I decided to talk to Tomi about it, and she said she was going to send it through the postal agency or the post office, and she did. And this is the first time I'm actually receiving anything through the post office from the US. So I was a little bit skeptical that it was going to get here on time or in good condition, but it actually did, and I'm happy. I would like to thank Tomi for giving me this gift, and also for taking out her time to go to the post office, and also paying for the shipping fee. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Ever since I got to know Tomi, I met her on YouTube, but she's been very amazing. She's been so supportive of my channel. She's always at my premieres, very supportive. Thank you very much. I won the 168 watt nail lamp, the UV LED lamp, and also the SXC Zodiac series glow in the dark kits. So I'm trying to open them so you can see what they look like. The funny thing about this lamp is that I just got this same brand in November, and I won the same brand also on YouTube. I know what this lamp looks like because I bought the same product, but I like to show you guys what this lamp looks like. I also like to know if it's exactly the same with the one I bought here in Nigeria. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, in Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel to become part of the family. Thank you. So this is the adapter or the plug that came with the lamp, and I can already see the difference between my lamp and this lamp. The difference is just that blue circle on the top of the lamp, while the one I have here is black. This one here is blue. That's just the difference. They have the same name, the same name, the same labels. This is also a detachable lamp, so you can remove the base when you want to do the fit, and also click it back when you're done with the fit. So this is the base of the lamp. I'm so happy I have an extra nail lamp. So let's see what's in the next pack. So this is the SXC glow in the dark poly nail gel kit pro. This is my first time of seeing this product. I don't think I've even seen anyone using it on YouTube. Maybe I've not watched enough, but this is my first time of seeing it, and I love it just because it is glow in the dark. So let's open this pack and see what's inside. Tomi, I love my gift so much that I don't even know how to thank you for sending this to me. Honestly, I can't wait to see what's in this pack. I'm so excited. In my head, I'm already thinking of different sets to do with this poly gel kits. I'm already thinking of different designs. So let's see what's inside this kit. Are you ready to see it? Okay, let's bring it out so you can see it. Wow. Okay, let me zoom in so you can see it. You can see it closely. So these are the things in this kit. We have the instruction manual. This comes with a note from the manufacturer. It says, "Hello, thanks for the love and support. This crazy set comes with 6 in the dark poly gel, and the color is fascinating. It's really beautiful during the day and lights you up at night. Hope you like it." So I think I already love it. No point in asking. So these are the colors at the back. There are colors in the day and there are colors at night. Thank you once again, Tomi, for sending this beautiful gift to me. I love it. I love it already. I really appreciate it. I love everything that comes with this kit. And I'm still going to do a review of this XSA polygel kit. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like this video and also leave a comment. Also, watch us for the review of this polygel kit. Till next time. Bye.